Good morning, my dear student. Today we will learn the trend of basicity in different amines. The general trend observed in an aqueous solution. The secondary amine is the most powerful base, followed by primary amine, followed by ammonia, followed by tertiary amine, and least is the basicity of aniline. How one can explain these trends? In order to explain, we have to consider following four factors. Number one, inductive effect. Number two, resonance. Number three, poor salvation. And number fourth is the steric. Number one is the inductive effect. Higher the inductive effect, higher is the basicity. But this inductive effect must be plus I, that is electron releasing group. For example, if methyl is there, they will release their electron density toward the nitrogen atom of the amine, and higher the density of electron on the nitrogen atom, higher is the basicity. That's why plus I effect increases the basicity. Second is the resonance. Higher the number of resonating structure, higher is the basicity. Third is the salvation energy. If lower amount of salvation energy is released, that is poor salvation, basicity goes down. Means basicity decreases. And last is the steric hinder. If there are large number of plus I effects group, they hinder the access of hydrogen plus toward the lone pair of the electron of the nitrogen atom. Having this basic structure, let us see the chemistry structure. Sorry for a little bit disruption. This is amine basicity comparative study. In this video, I have shown what I have stated earlier, that the secondary amine is the most powerful base, followed by the primary amine, and followed by ammonia, followed by tertiary amine, and aniline is the least basic. Why? The aniline is the weakest base. You might have heard two words, pKa and pKb. Negative logarithm of acid dissociation constant is known as pKa, while the negative logarithm of base constant is known as pKb. Higher the value of pKb, lower is the basicity, and vice versa. Let us see why the aniline is least basic. On the right hand side, you will find a resonating structure of aniline. Aniline has lone pair of electron on nitrogen atoms. These electrons, if these electrons are available, then this aniline or any molecule can expect the basicity. But these lone pair of electron get involved in delocalization. Here is the delocalization has been shown, and nitrogen has become positively charged. Here must be the positive charge. I have left, sorry for this. Here is also the positive charge. Whenever there is a double bond, here is the positive charge. This is known as the hybrid structure. Similarly, you can draw the different resonating structure of the aniline. There are 4 and 5 resonating structure, and all the resonating structure have been expressed by this resonance hybrid. Its means simply is to show how the lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom get involved in delocalization and not available for propionation or Lewis acid, for example H plus. Second, why ammonia is less basic than alkyl amine. This is the structure of ammonia and this is the structure of methylamine. What I have said, the four factors governs the basicity. This methyl group have the plus I effect. This methyl group have the plus I effect. This donates the electron density, release the electron density toward the nitrogen atom. The net electron density on the nitrogen atom gets increased. That's why methylamine is more basic than ammonia. Next, here pKb value is shown. Here pKb value of ammonia is higher, means less basic. pKb value is lower, means more basic. Third is the amines are strongest base, secondary amines. Secondary amine are the best base. Why not the tertiary? I will explain later on. But let us see this structure. There are two plus I effect group, CS3 and CS3. Both are releasing their electron density toward the nitrogen. This enhanced electron density increases the basicity. That's why pKb is 3.38. This is the rough value, might differ in points. And third, why the tertiary amines are less basic than secondary amine. I have already stated that there are the four factors that governs the basicity. The first factor was plus I effect, second was the resonance, and third was the salvation. You see, and four was the steric hindrance. There are two electron releasing group, and this is the third. First, second, third. You might conclude that this N and dimethyl methamine or tertiary amine is more basic, should be more basic, but this is not actual case. In fact, this dimethylamine or secondary amine is more basic. Although these three bulky group have the plus I effect, there should be increase in the electron density on the nitrogen atom. But these bulky group at the same times hinders the approach or access of any electron taking group toward the nitrogen atom. This is just like Z plus commandos. जैसे आप यहाँ पर तीन स्तरीय जो है प्रोटेक्शन है, फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, सेकंड लेयर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड थर्ड लेयर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. वन कैन नॉट रीच, अगर कोई आपको नुकसान पहुंचाना चाहे और आप चारों तरफ से प्रोटेक्टेड हों तो योर एनिमी कैन नॉट डेयर टू रीच टू यू. हियर इज ओनली टू अल्किल ग्रुप, less steric hindrance. Here is the more steric hindrance. That's why tertiary amine is low basic character as compared to the secondary. This is the first. Number one, steric effect causes the lesser basicity of tertiary amine. And the second factor is the salvation energy. When these electrons are get protonated, that is by anyhow means electron taking group reaches to this nitrogen atom and takes the electron and forms the positive ions, poorly salvated. Here is the poorly salvated, lower salvation energy is released. That's why this is not stabilized. Here more salvation energy is released. That's why this is the more stable. So tertiary amine is less basic because of the two factors. Number one, poor solvation, and number two, steric hindrance. The 3-methyl group, these are the bulky group, they protects the electron of nitrogen and they are inaccessible. So these two factors governs and clearly explain why the tertiary amine is less basic than the secondary amine. You can find out more PowerPoint slide in this discussion. Because of the lengthiness, I would not describe the all. The interested student may go through the slides. This is the same picture that I have shown. This is the definition of pKa. What I have said, pKa is the negative logarithm of acid dissociation constant. pKb is the negative logarithm of base dissociation constant. And what is the relation? Sum of these two is 14 as 25 degrees centigrade. How the basicity is related with the pKa? Higher pKa is stronger base, lower pKa weaker base. pKb is stronger base and weaker base. This is the third basicity. pKa and pKb have been shown. Solutions. Reason for the why the aniline is least basic, because of the lone pair of electron and nitrogen atom gets delocalized. I have already explained the factors, the plus I factor, and these are the secondary amine are the strongest, and secondary amine tertiary is less than the secondary because of the two, water cannot solve it, poor solvation or bulky, and next is the steric hindrance. Key observation I have already stated. This should be like this. Thanks for watching. Please do share and subscribe.